I want to offer these 20 rands to anybody here. Anybody who can give me the source of this quotation, this statement I'm going to make now. Whether it was Moses, the Holy Prophet Moses, Marx, Karl Marx, or Muhammad, who uttered these words. Relax, relax. I'm quoting. For those my enemies who would not that I should reign over them, rule them, bring them hither, bring them here, and slay them before me, kill them in front of my eyes. The first person who gives me the author of that statement gets this. Moses, Marx, or Muhammad? Put up your hand, put up your hand. Come on, put up your hand. 20 rands. Anybody? Moses, Marx, or Muhammad? Come on, please, man. Look, these 20 rands are going. I don't want to put them back in my pocket. They're itching. My Christian brethren. Yes. The brother wants me to repeat it. I said, this quotation, where does it originate? I was asking, Moses, Marx, or Muhammad? The quotation is, for those my enemies, you know, my enemies, who would not that I should reign, rule them. I want to rule them. I want to rule you all. I want to be the king, dictator of you all. And if you don't want that, I'm telling my followers here, my disciples, look, bring them here and kill them, slay them before me. Who said that? Moses, Marx, or Muhammad? Who said that? Come on, one more try. You can help them. Jesus Christ. See, people don't know their own Bible. Luke chapter 19, verse 27. Jesus Christ said, for those my enemies, who would not that I should reign them, rule them, bring them here in front of me and kill them, slay them before me. Jesus Christ. Did you say Jesus? Did anybody hear him say Jesus? Saleh, that brother. Are you a Christian? He has. He knows his Bible. He deserves 20 rands. Give it to him.
Those